Today, we're going to explain how to fix USPS Informed Delivery not working in 2026. If you're not seeing expected mail, packages, or delivery updates, don't worry. This is a common issue and can usually be resolved. First, make sure USPS Informed Delivery is available at your address. Not all locations support this service. Log into your USPS account and confirm that your address is verified and eligible. Next, check that you are logged into the correct USPS account. Sometimes users create multiple accounts, which can cause informed delivery information not to appear. Always use the account that was originally verified for your address. If informed delivery is enabled but not updating, refresh the dashboard or sign out and sign back in. You can also try accessing the service from a different browser or the USPS mobile app. Clearing your browser cache and cookies may fix display issues. Another important step is to verify your identity again if prompted. USPS may temporarily disable informed delivery if identity verification expires or fails. Complete the verification process to restore access. Keep in mind that informed delivery shows preview images, not guaranteed delivery. Some mail pieces and packages may not appear due to processing limits, sender restrictions, or scanning delays. If packages are missing, confirm that the tracking number is linked to your address. Informed delivery only displays packages addressed exactly to the registered name and location. If the issue continues for several days, contact USPS customer support through the help section and report an informed delivery problem. Provide accurate address and account details for faster resolution. Following these steps will help restore USPS informed delivery and ensure you receive accurate mail and package updates in 2026. Hello, everyone.